93 days until AS Level Maths Paper 1. Pause the video, have a go at this question, and then we'll have a look at it together. The polynomial fx is defined as f of x is equal to 3x cubed minus 13x squared plus 18x minus 8. Using factor theorem, show that x minus 1 is a factor of f of x. If x minus 1 is a factor of f of x, this must mean that x equals 1 is one of our roots. And we find the roots by setting the bracket equal to 0. Therefore, when we substitute 1 into our function, we should have an output of 0. So f of 1 will be equal to, in place of x, we're going to substitute this for 1. And when we do this, we have an output of 0. Therefore, x minus 1 is a factor of f of x. For part B, express f of x as a product of its three linear factors, where we know one of the factors is x minus 1, so this has to be divisible by x minus 1. To get from x to our first term, 3x cubed, we've multiplied by 3x squared. Then we'll need to subtract x minus 1 multiplied by 3x squared. So x times 3x squared is 3x cubed, and minus 1 times 3x squared will be minus 3x squared. And we'll subtract this from the previous line. 3x cubed minus 3x cubed is 0. Minus 13x squared minus 3x squared. Two negatives make a positive. So this will be minus 13x squared plus 3x squared, which is minus 10x squared. The rest will stay the same, so plus 18x minus 8. Then next, to get from x to minus 10x squared, we've multiplied by minus 10x. And then we'll need to subtract x minus 1 multiplied by minus 10x. X times minus 10x is minus 10x squared, and minus 1 times minus 10x will be plus 10x. Minus 10x squared minus 10x squared, again two negatives make a positive, so minus 10x squared plus 10x squared will cancel out. 18x minus 10x will be 8x, and then we have the minus 8. Lastly, to get from x to 8x, we've multiplied by 8, then we'll need to subtract x minus 1 multiplied by 8 from the previous line. X times 8 is 8x, and minus 1 times 8 is minus 8. 8x minus 8x is 0, and minus 8 minus minus 8 will also be 0. So f of x we can write as our first factor is x minus 1, and when we divide by x minus 1 we have our other quadratic factor 3x squared minus 10x plus 8. But we can factorise this into double brackets. In one bracket this will factorise to 3x minus 4, and in our second bracket we'll have x minus 2. And it doesn't really matter which order we have these brackets in, and this will be our final answer.